know you had a couple of C4 energy drinks today, but you are in a rare mood as we get ready for these two to lock up. And will Jacy Jayne, will she regret some of the decisions of
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What decision? Oh, cranked it up. No respect. No respect.
You mean no respect?
No respect.
What did Thea do to deserve Jacy to look her directly in the eye and shriek, "I was never your friend"?
I mean, of
she
course,
trusted Jacy. She looked up to Jacy.
Mentorship and friendship is two totally different things, man. You gotta, even you understand that, Vic, right?
I
You understand that.
I also understand that Thea Hail is extra motivated here tonight. And I bring this to you. Well, then, all that motivation and who's the most important, and Chase U and Andre Chase. You take a look at this matchup. Who's it more important to, Thea Hail or Jacy Jayne?
Yeah, man, coming off the draft, I mean, every match is important today.
Big senton, don't miss a second of the action. Jayne Hail one-on-one. Into the cover, we're back live on Spring Break, and it's night two. It's Thea Hail, Jacy Jayne, grudge match of sorts. And Jayne has been taking it to Hail throughout the commercial break. So, Booker, I want you to do the math for me. Jacy helped Thea, right? Helped her mature into a grown-ass woman, right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
She saved Chase U, right?
Yes, she did. That is as well.
Then she dropped them all. So how does that make her a good person?
She did that for good reason, Vic.
How does that make her a good person?
Andre Chase, man, it goes back to him. We all know this dude is dirty. All right, he's dirty.
He's admitted to that. He's admitted to his faults. He's better now.
And what did you do for it? Has he gone and taken any treatment?
Oh, nice neck breaker.
Oh, my God, man.
Into the cover. Is it going to be a
That's it. Oh,
man. Thea Hail able to kick out. What Andre Chase does is Andre Chase believes in his students. He believes in Thea Hail. It's that belief that I believe helped Thea Hail kick out after that neck breaker.
Tell you what, right now, she's taking a beat. And this is a lesson, Vic. This is a lesson.
So you teach your kids, we talk about lessons, you teach your kids to act like Jason, rude, manipulative?
I teach them to be winners. Yes, I teach them that this is a business. You're not too far gone to know that, Vic. You're not too far gone to know that.
Jacy, nobody home. She's the one who laid down the challenge for this matchup. Gladly accepted by Thea Hail.
Oh!
But not even you, Booker, can agree with Jacy that Thea has showed no gratitude. She thanked her every single week. All of Chase U did.
What are you talking about, Vic?
She ruined a good thing. That's what I mean.
She failed.
Ruined a good thing.
She quit. She quit, Vic. Just like a lot of people in Chase U.
So you're okay with
the quitters?
Who's a quitter, Jacy or Thea?
A lot of people in Chase U. They're quitters.
So Jacy's a quitter? Or Thea's a quitter?
Jacy is a...
See, you're confused.
Don't try to confuse me.
Big right hand by Jacy. Thea able to answer back. These two slugging it out. And this is right what Thea wanted. She's been wanting to get her hands on Jacy Jayne for all the negativity, all the sleepless nights, all the nights crying into her pillow in her dorm room on the campus of Chase U have led to this.
Oh, I have nothing against Thea Hail. She's a hell of a talent when she's focused, Vic. And when she was more focused, when she was with what? When she was with her. Jacy Jayne.
Cover.
Wow.
You gotta wonder where Jacy Jayne's head's at, because one of her mean girl partners, Kiana James, was drafted to Raw in the WWE draft. All she has now is Jasmine Nix, who's out here on the outside. As Jayne trying to crawl over, I believe, to Jasmine, and there's Thea right back on top.
She's mentoring Jasmine. That's what that is. That's the relationship. She's a mentor.
Whatever you wanted to believe. But, whoa, nice roll through, shoulders down in an air fall.
That was crafty.
I just don't see how the rest of the locker room just doesn't see through Jacy Jayne.
You know what the locker room is really saying? They wonder why the hell is Vic always worried about the locker room.
I'm not worried about the locker room. I'm bringing up. Whoa, wait a minute.
Whoa.
Fallon just saved Thea. And just got caught with that Pele kick from Jasmine.
Wow.
Chase swing and a miss. Thea Hail, though, turning right around. Trying to lock in that Kimura. She's got it locked in. Hail with the Kimura. Kimura locked, cinch. It's deep.
No.
Jacy has to tap. Hail, yes.
Here's the winner by submission, Thea Hail.
Oh, how good this moment must feel for Thea Hail.